back with another video. Today we will be talking about the Photoshop filter noise. Add noise, remove noise, the speckles, dust and scratch, and median. So these are all the filters what we are working today. So first of all, I have opened some of the pictures here, like a lamp, two kinds of different lamps, and another a nice Christmas kind of texture series. Scene. So first of all, I have this picture, so I will duplicate it. Is Control J. I want to add a little more texture to this picture. Like I want it to behave like a more grainy kind of texture. So I'll go to filter, I'll go to noise and say add noise. Either you can go for uniform where it is more arranged correctly, or you can go for Gaussian, which is more like a blurry finish. If you don't want a monochromatic, it will go like full lights, and monochromatic will be only black and white. And if I more the amount it is, the more the blur. I'll just keep a blur somewhere here where it actually gives some texture to it. And yeah, this is before and after image, and it actually looks good to some extent, and I can type here something, text or anything after giving the blur. So that is how to add the blur. So we'll go to the next picture, and here I already have a lamp picture here. I'll just duplicate it, that is Control J. I'll go to filter, again I'll go back to noise, and this time I'll use Speckles. So yeah, that is one way. So what I'll do now is so the next filter, I will switch off this one and put it down, and for the original one I'll make another copy, Control J, and I will zoom in because I want to show the effect on the lights. And I'll go to filter, I'll go to noise, and I'll use Speckles, and the effect is already applied. What this does is, now if I add one more time, see, this is the one with the effect and without effect. You can see if I add another 2-3 times. Let me on it so that I'll be able to show you 2 and 3 times. Now see, when I off it, you can see the texture on the light is clearly visible. You can see all the effect, and you can see it's like a grainy finish. But when I apply this effect, it is more blurry, but it's not so much, the texture is not so much visible to you. It's not popped so much on the picture. It's not looking like it has some noise or grainy texture. It's looking like it's a very soft kind of finish. So what he does is he tries to make the pixel of the noise able to sit in a such way that the picture should not look completely like distorted or such kind. So that is Speckles. Now I'll go to the next picture. There is a picture here of a lamp. I will duplicate it. Today I'll show you another way for duplicate. Click onto your left click on your layer. Left click from your mouse on the layer. Hold it. Don't leave it. Come to this plus symbol here and now leave it. See, the duplication is already happened. Now select the duplicated one. Go to filters, noise, and use a dust and scratches. You can see it actually makes it look like more like a painting or a pottery kind of finish. If I increase the threshold also along with it, it gives little, see, it's more like a painting finish. What he actually does is, it's all the work of the pixels, nothing much. And once you're liking it, you can just keep it. You can subscribe to my channel. My YouTube channel name is Crystal Art and Films, and every alternate days, that is Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday, I'll be uploading videos. I have actually come a step ahead in my Photoshop process. That is, I have got a growth in my YouTube channel. That is, my previous series was given lots of support and love from all of you all viewers and the subscribers, and those who liked also. I really want to thank you, all of you, because you're mean a lot to me. And this is my second series where I'm talking about all the filters present in the Photoshop. And yeah, if all of you really liked my videos and everything, do subscribe to my channel and like them. I want to have a very steady and stable growth in this field. And yeah, as I am growing, you all are the ones who are seeing me, my growth, and appreciating it. So next I have one more picture here. I'll just say Control and J and duplicate it. And this time I will add the last one, that is median. See, what does actually median does is, before doing, I'll tell you. You can see there is a difference in the pixels here. This is too dark and this is too white and brown and black. So these are not like shades of each other in any way, nor they are matching to each other. So what here the median does is, he tries to make them into one, like smudges them into same thing. See, if I reduce it, the lesser the amount they are together. See here, especially in this region, the brown and the lighter brown, they're actually trying to mix with each other. But when I come closer and closer, what they actually does is, he has totally smudged it. It's looking very disaster. So it's blur and noise, they usually give more like a painting finish. Once you're happy with whatever effect is in there, and you can add text and stuff. So yeah, that was all about my filters, and that is my noise filter, that is about my add noise, decibels, dust and scratches, a median. Reduce noise is like, see, this image already has a noise right now. So I'll go to my filters, I'll go to my noise again, and this time I'll choose a reduce noise. It gives me a set of default settings, and which you can change, like it's already strength. I'll say preserve more of the space, reduce the color, sharpen the detailing, everything, go to advanced. And if I say okay, nothing much happens. See, still almost the same thing. So it gives you an effect to some extent, but not to effect that is completely dismantled. This is completely destroyed picture, like it is totally in a different effect now. Such pictures are cannot be, but that reduced noise will actually work if it's a camera click picture original and it has some little reduction here and there is a small problem in the picture. Yes, it will surely work, and it will give you a satisfactory result to some extent. I'll be making my design, photo manipulation, effect and exposure process videos. I will, if the video is very big, I will put it as a time lapse. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.